Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers. Number 1. The last battle where Ashoka fought his last war was in dash. A. Patliputra, B. Kalinga, C. Varanasi, D. Kosola. Answer is B. Kalinga. The last battle where Ashoka fought in his last war was in Kalinga. Number 2. Chanakya was previously a minister to the last dash ruler. Option A. Mauryan, B. Nanda, C. Gupta, D. None of these. Answer is Nanda. Chanakya was previously a minister to the last Gupta ruler. Number 3. Dash is an important Ashokan pillar near Varanasi. Option Sanchi Stupa, B. Vihara, C. Lion, capital of Ashoka Sarnath, and D. Ashok Chakra. Answer is Lion, capital of Ashoka Sarnath. Lion, capital of Ashoka Sarnath, is an important Ashokan pillar near Varanasi. Number 4. Chandragupta Maurya even introduced a dash to be used throughout his empire. A. Chariot, B. Single currency, D. Religious, D. None of these. Answer is single currency. Chandragupta Maurya even introduced single currency to be used throughout his empire. Number 5. Dash was the Mauryan capital. A. Vaji, B. Vaishali, C. Patliputra, D. Kalinga. Answer is C. Patliputra. Patliputra was the Mauryan capital. B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Chandragupta Maurya defeated the last dash ruler and came to power. Answer is Nanda. Chandragupta Maurya defeated the last Nanda ruler and came to power. Number 2. Chanakya was the author of dash. Answer is Arthashastra. Chanakya was the author of Arthashastra. Number 3. The Indica was written by dash. Answer is Megastheus. The Indica was written by Megastheus. Number 4. Megastheus lived during the reign of dash. Answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Megastheus lived during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya. Number 5. The dash at Sarnath has the lion capital and the 4 lion position back to back. Answer is pillar. The pillar at Sarnath has the lion capital and the 4 lion position back to back. Write T for true and F for false. Number 1. Chanakya helped Bidusar rule the kingdom and expand it. False. Number 2. Mauryan Empire was founded by Chandragupta Maurya. Right. Third. The Ashokan pillars are decorated with human figure. Wrong. Number 4. Bindusar was Ashoka's elder son. Wrong. Number 5. Ashoka converted to Buddhism after the Kalinga War. Right. Now exercise D. Answer these questions in brief. Question number 1. How was the Mauryan kingdom established? मौर्य राजा की स्थापना कैसे हुई? ओके, आंसर. Magad grew to become one of the most powerful kingdom in North India. Soon, the Nandas succeeded the throne of Magad and expanded their territories. The last of the Nanda's ruler was, however, unpopular. The invention of Alexander the Great, the king of Macedonia, helped to further divide the kingdom and weaken the powerful Nanda state. This led to the emerge of the Maurya Empire. तो इसमें हमें ऐसे पता चलता है कि मगध है वो धीरे धीरे नॉर्थ इंडिया की जो है जगह नॉर्थ में जो है पावरफुल होता जा रहा था और उनके जो सक्सीडर थे यानी कि एक के बाद एक जो राजा आते जा रहे थे वो नंदा डायनेस्टी को बढ़ा रहे थे, बराबर, जिसका नाम था मगध। और मगध के ये राजा थे, तो जो उनका जो लास्ट रूलर कह सकते हैं या जो बाद में रूलर आए वे इतने पावरफुल नहीं थे। और तो और क्या हुआ कि मैकेडोनिया जो हमारे देश के अंदर नहीं है, दूसरे देश के राजा मैकेडोनिया, उन्होंने यहाँ पर मगध के राज्य के ऊपर चढ़ाई की और वे कौन थे? अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट। उनके आने से जो है मगध है वो कमज़ोर पड़ गया और कई भागों में बट गया। तो एक तो जो नंदा डायनेस्टी के कुछ रूलर्स थे वो अनपॉपुलर थे, वो ज़्यादा नहीं कर पा रहे थे। दूसरा जो है अलेक्जेंडर ने आकर इस मगध को और भी कमज़ोर बना दिया। तो इस तरह से ऐसा भी कहा जाता है कि धनानंद जो लास्ट रूलर थे, जिससे नंदा डायनेस्टी नाम भी पड़ा धनानंद से ही, उन्होंने अपने जो मंत्री थे चाणक्य, उनका अपमान किया था। तो चाणक्य है उनके राज्य से निकलकर जो है उन्होंने मगध राज्य को छोड़कर मौर्य जो राजा थे चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, उनके पास आए और चंद्रगुप्त को उन्होंने मदद करी और फिर इस तरह से मौर्य राज्य की स्थापना हुई और मगध राज्य का अंत हुआ। तो मगध राज्य के अंत होने के बाद चंद्रगुप्त नाम के राजा ने मौर्य एम्पायर बनाया, उसका नाम ही था चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, इसलिए वो मौर्य एम्पायर कहलाया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हु वॉज चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य एंड हु असिस्टेड हिम in becoming the king? Answer. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of the Mauryan Empire. His rise to power came with the help of his most trusted minister and chief advisor Chanakya, also known as Kautilya, in 321 BCE. Question number 3, who was Bindusar? Bindusar, Chandragupta's son, succeeded him to the throne. He has been conquering almost the entire Indian peninsula like his father. Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusar's maintained friendly relation with the Greek. He was tolerant to all religion and many saints visited his kingdom during this time. Question number 4, How did Battle of Kalinga change Ashoka? Ashoka was very ambitious ruler and used military strength in order to expand the empire. He launched brutal war which lasted for around 8 years till the Kalinga War, which changed his life. The War of Kalinga turned out to be infamous battle. Over 1 lakh people of Kalinga and 20 more than 10,000 soldiers of Ashoka died in the war. He felt responsible for the loss of so many lives and decided to renounce the war. What religion did Ashoka convert to? Answer. Ashoka devoted the rest of his life to ahimsa, means non-violence, and converted to Buddhism. He ruled for 40 years after the Battle of Kalinga in peace, harmony, and prosperity. Exercise E. Answer this question in detail. Question number 1. The Mauryan Empire had an effective administrative system. Give reason for this. Answer. The empire was divided into 4 provinces, each under prince or a kumara. The provinces were divided into districts, and these districts were further divided into villages. At the provincial level, the prince was assisted by minister. Some of the functions undertaken at the district level were the review of the land, maintenance of law and order, and collection of taxes. Here the district head was assisted by junior official. At the village level, the headman looked after land record and assisted the district official pretending to matter of the village, pertaining to matter of the village. Question number 3. What measure did Ashoka take to improve the lives of the people? Answer. Ashoka took some measure to improve the life of the people are as under. Number 1. He introduced many reforms, some of which included an effective civil service and land taxation reform. Number 2. During Ashoka's reign, cities and villages were protected by wall. Ashoka's messenger used specially built tunnels to move safely and quickly. Number 3. Ashoka did a lot for the welfare of the people. He built roads, rest houses, and universities for his people. He made hospitals for animals and people, offered loan to poor farmers. Number 4. Ashoka promoted vegetarian and himself quit meat to reduce unnecessary slaughter of animals. Number 5. He encouraged and controlled international trade. Number 6. He boosted agriculture with revolutionary ideas and improved the system of drainage and irrigation. How did Ashoka spread his message of Dhamma? Answer. Ashoka's Dhamma was written in Prakrit, which was the language of common people. He inscribed Dhamma on pillar, caves, and rocks so that people could read and follow the message on the inscription. He referred to people as my child in all his inscription. What were Ashoka's contribution to art? Answer. The top of the column or pillar on which Ashoka's message were inscribed was decorated with figure of lion and bull. One such pillar in Sarnath has 4 lions carved at the top. This pillar has come to be known as one of the most famous of Ashoka's pillar. This structure is now the national emblem of India.